Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to share with you my Flipkart and Amazon pantry haul and a few gift ideas from the pantry. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the Flipkart pantry items. I got these boxes of 3-in-1 coffee. These are 10 packets in a box. And then I bought these coffee sprinkles. These are 5 sachets in a box. And I got the chocolate marshmallow one because if you mix it with hot water or milk, it tastes just like hot chocolate. I generally prefer my coffee to be coffee flavored, and therefore I don't mix it with my coffee, but I usually just mix it with milk. And then I bought a pack of Hershey's Kisses, milk chocolate, and another pack of cookies and cream. And I got a pack of Snickers miniatures. And finally, you would be a 90s kid if you remember this candy. It tastes just like Coca-Cola. Finally, I bought a pack of this fudge brownie mix. Moving on to the Amazon pantry item, the only thing that I bought was this set of coffee mix. This was caramel flavored. This is the normal creamy one. This is mocha. This is hazelnut, and this is cappuccino. It has 6 sachets in this, 10 in this, 6 in this, 6 again, and 6 again. And I was just thinking, if you could just take a few from each, mix it, couple it up with a cute mug, and place it in a basket with a reusable straw maybe, that would make for a perfect gift. If it is for an individual, just give it with 1 cup, or if it's for a couple, you can have a Mr. and Mrs. mug and an assortment of these coffees. This would be a really nice last minute gift. Same way, just add a cup with 1 or 2 sachets of this hot chocolate mix with a peppermint stick maybe, and a few kisses just for garnish. And that would be a nice stocking stuffer or a gift for a nice cold winter evening. And then for the person who loves baking but is lazy just like me, you could give a pack of this instant brownie mix, and you can pair it up with some cooking spatulas, or a pretty jar, or a pretty cup maybe, and that would also be a nice gift. Or you could also have it in your home, and it takes about 2 minutes to mix it up and put it in the oven. And by the time you're done with your Christmas cleaning and decorating, your house will smell wonderfully chocolatey. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And may you have fun, more fun giving than in receiving. May Christ's love shine in your heart today and always. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.